Hey everybody, it's the fuel guy, and I've got a couple tips for you. It's spring, it's a beautiful day, we're getting ready to mow the lawn for the first time, but there's something we need to do first. You know, with the government mandating more and more ethanol all the time, the problem occurs even more so, and that problem is what's called phase separation. This is when the ethanol separates out from the gas, settles to the bottom of the tank where your pickup tube is, and when you start that piece of equipment, you suck pure ethanol, destroying that equipment. Now, a lot of your manufacturers will not warranty against this and will guard against that or tell you to guard against that, and one of the ways to do that is this. When you pull your mower out, your equipment, shake it up. Move that thing around, get it mixed up. Your gas can, same way. Let's grab that, let's shake it up, let's get it mixed up good. We want to make sure that we don't have any gasoline and ethanol that's not mixed thoroughly. And again, that's going to stay, but this happens over time. Another thing you want to do before, we've got our Gas Plus, 1 ounce to 10 gallons, right? Well, that creates a little bit of a problem because my gas tank is only 5 gallons. Very easy. The bottles have the ounces marked on them right on the side, and it's really easy to measure a ½ ounce. Under the lid is a pour spout, makes it super easy. You simply open up your can, put in the approximate ½ ounce or whatever you think. You get a little more, it's not a problem. The worry is when you're adding a lot more every time, and you don't want to do that. Put in what you think is close. It's going to stabilize it. It's going to clean out any varnish, any garbage you've got in that system sitting over the winter time, and you're going to have a nice, clean, fresh engine to start. So don't forget, Ethanol Guardian, protect against corrosion, remove the water from the fuel system, stabilize the fuel for storage. If you had it in there before winter got here, you're already covered for stability, but let's stabilize it again each and every time. This is the Fuel Guy. Have a great summer, everybody. Thanks a lot.